How to remove your Gmail account from Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can remove your Gmail account from your Android phone. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Now, before we get on to understand why you want to remove your Gmail account from Android phone, you have to also understand that Android is basically a Google functionality. You will not be able to run Google Apps or run App Store or run any of the features on Android basically without having or owning a Google account. You do need a Google account or your Gmail account, but even after knowing all that, you want to remove your Gmail account. I will simply show you how you can do that. In my case, let me just open my App Store and show you the current Gmail account which I have added. On my case, if I tap on the top right profile, you can see this current Gmail profile. Let's say I want to remove it. What I will do is I will hop out of App Store or everywhere. Then I will simply go ahead and open the settings app on my Android. On every Android, you have to simply open your settings app. Over here, you have to look for the option called accounts and backup. Now, in my case, it is accounts and backup. This is Samsung One UI. If you're using ColorOS of Oppo, or if you're using Oxygen OS of OnePlus, or if you're using MIUI of Redmi, and if you're using many other operating systems, the options could vary. Somewhere it could be written manage accounts, somewhere it could be written accounts only. And in my case, it is accounts and backup. Either way, you have to look for the option called backup. And I will simply tap on accounts and backup over here. Once you do that, at the very top, you can see this option which says manage accounts. So all you have to do is simply tap on the manage account button. As you do that, you'll be able to see a list of all of the email services and accounts which I have added. Over here, what I will simply do is locate that particular Gmail which I want to remove. So you can see at the third option, this gmail.com email. Let's say I want to remove it. What I will do is simply tap on it once. As I tap on it once, it says me, do you want to remove your account? All you have to do is tap on this remove account button at the bottom of the screen. As soon as you do that, it says removing the account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from the device. Do you want to continue? So all you have to do is simply tap on the remove account button at the bottom of the screen in order to remove that particular Gmail account from your Android phone. So let me go ahead and try that as well. If I tap on the remove account button, you can see now it says we have removed our account, and it also says that my data isn't back. So what I will basically do is now, even if I open my App Store, you can see it will ask me to sign in, and I will not be able to run any of the Google apps without a Gmail or Google account. But either way, this is how you could very easily remove Google account or Gmail from an Android phone. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.